In this video, I'll guide you through how to prevent double booking in Microsoft Bookings. If you've ever had two people book the same time slot with you, you know how stressful that can be. The good news is there's a simple setting inside Microsoft Bookings that helps make sure your existing calendar events are respected so you don't accidentally get booked twice. First, open Microsoft Bookings and make sure you're in the correct booking calendar, especially if you manage more than one. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled Staff. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all the people who can be booked through this calendar are listed, including you. Once you're in the staff area, find your name or the staff member whose availability you want to control. If you have a long list of staff, you can use the search box at the top of the list to quickly locate the right person. When you see the correct staff member, click on their name to open their details, then select Edit Staff. This will bring up a panel where you can manage their settings, including what affects their availability. Inside the Edit Staff view, scroll until you find the Availability section. This is where Microsoft Bookings decides when this person can be booked and what information it uses to determine if a time slot is free or busy. To prevent double booking, you want Bookings to look at that person's actual office calendar, such as their Outlook calendar, instead of treating all open times as free. In the Availability section, look for the checkbox labeled Events on Office Calendar Affect Availability. This is the key setting. When this box is checked, Microsoft Bookings will automatically block off any times where there is already an event on that staff member's office calendar. That means if they already have a meeting, an appointment, or even a personal calendar block, Bookings will see that time as unavailable and clients will not be able to book over it. If the box is not checked, Bookings will ignore what's on the office calendar and may offer times that are already taken, which is how double bookings happen. So check that box to turn on this protection. Take a second to confirm that it's visibly selected before you move on. After you've enabled Events on Office Calendar Affect Availability, scroll down to the bottom of the Edit Staff panel and click Save Changes. This is important. If you close the window or navigate away without saving, your adjustments won't apply and double booking can still occur. Once you save, the new setting becomes active for that staff member. From now on, when someone tries to make a booking with that person, Microsoft Bookings will cross-check their office calendar first and only show truly free time slots. If you manage a team, repeat these same steps for each staff member to keep everyone protected from overlapping bookings. That's all you need to do to prevent double booking in Microsoft Bookings by using the built-in calendar integration. Thanks for watching and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you update staff or change availability settings.